Hi, I'm Mr. Fidget, and this is my buddy, Mr. Spencer. The Canadian Tire Tested for Life in Canada program has sent me the Hoover ONEPWR cordless vacuum. My favorite thing about this is it's portable, and it's cordless, and it has a strong battery, 20-volt battery, and it has a motorized pet nozzle that's great for all his hair. I've tested this Hoover cordless ONEPWR vacuum system, and it has many great features. It has fingertip controls and an easy handle, powerful continuous suction, one bag, no bag, just the reusable canister, and has a wall mount, multi-surface cleaner, and a motorized pet nozzle, which is great for upholstery and my dog's places of relaxation. Has two ONEPWR batteries, 3 amp hour, 20 volt, and it has an independent charger, which is great because you can be charging while you're continuously cleaning. And I feel it's nice and quiet. It doesn't scare the daylights out of this dog, maybe some others, but and as it goes with life in Canada, Looney will work to clean the, to do maintenance on the power nozzle. So just pull it back up, put a Looney in. There, it's all tight. And even with this, it has a continuous suction power, and I'm going to try it on this brand new hand hooked rug. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to be dead meat. Yeah. That's awesome. I love this thing. So I enthusiastically recommend this great product from Hoover and Canadian Tire. Thank you.